Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Lover Sejal. So today we are going to do a girl talk. जैसे आप बोल सकते हो मैं और हनी बात कर रही हूँ. So आज मैं आपको proper guide देने वाली हूँ about lingerie, what to wear under what. Let's talk about lingerie 101. And also guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how you can be a smart shopper like me and you can earn free cashback on every online purchase. Be it fashion, kitchen, food, skincare and beauty and lingerie and nightwear. The shopping trick which I'm talking about is India's biggest cashback website, guys. It's Cash Karo, a true Indian brand that offers cashback over 1500 plus websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Mamaearth, Ajio, Myntra and even on mobile recharges, guys. And you know what is the amazing part? The cashback of Cash Karo is real cash, guys. You can actually transfer it into your bank account or else you can convert it into Amazon vouchers. Video ka end tak dekho and I'll give you 3 reasons that why you should use Cash Karo for your all online shopping. Okay, now as we start growing, guys, comfortable और अच्छा lingerie होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. अब lingerie mostly मैं शायवे से ही order करती हूँ, guys, because they have good quality lingeries and also they have amazing offers, guys. For example, buy 2 get 3 bras and 5 panties for just 599 rupees and more such offers, guys. डिस्काउंट के ऊपर भी आपको फ्लैट 300 रुपीज का कैशबैक मिल जाता है इफ यू शॉप अबाउट 450 रुपीज. दिस इज अनबिलीवेबल, राइट? ओके गाइस, नाउ आपको बहुत सारे ब्रास दिखेंगे वेबसाइट पर एंड इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू डिसाइड व्हाट टू वेयर अंडर व्हाट. सो यस, आज मैं आपको इसी के बारे में गाइड देने वाली हूँ. सो गाइस, बहुत टाइप्स के ब्रास होते हैं. टी शर्ट ब्रा, पुशअप ब्रा, नर्सिंग ब्रा, स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा, ब्राइडल ब्रा, कैमी ब्रा, लेस ब्रा, मोल्डेड ब्रा, ओपन ब्रा एंड सो मेनी ब्रास, गाइस. नाउ फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टी शर्ट ब्रा. व्हाट डू आई वेयर अंडर टी shirt usually? So guys, t-shirt bra has to be most comfortable, well fitting with no lace, no lining, nothing. So yes guys, this is the type of bra I like to go under my t-shirt because it doesn't have that flower design or anything and no lace and nothing. It's completely plain, you know, you don't have that lining over here as well. So you know, अगर आप t-shirt wear करते हो तो you need something plain like this. It's padded and underwired. I prefer going underwire because it gives me more support. So this gives the proper smooth outlook without revealing the bra line under your t-shirt, kurtis or tunics. Okay, now first I should have talked about the beginner's bra. So when I started, which bra I started using? Because directly you cannot start with such bra, otherwise you would feel so uncomfortable throughout the day. So when I started wearing bras, I started using such bras. These are so comfortable, guys. So this is padded bra, but I didn't use padded bra when I started. But padded bras give you good coverage, guys. So you can go for it if you are just starting with it, or else you can remove the pads as well. Now I would like to give you some tips before buying bras. So first is color option I'll give you. So mostly guys मैं nude bras या फिर beige color bras or else I'll buy black bra. So ये तीनों bra मेरे collection में होता ही होता है because it is so useful, so helpful in all the t-shirts or anything I'm wearing. Beige or nude color is something, you know, if you're wearing white or pink or anything, it would go perfectly on that. And if you're wearing dark color outfits, for example violet, dark purple and black or something like that, you can go for black bras. So इसलिए ये दोनों colors like beige or nude or else black तो मेरे collection में होता ही होता है. Now second tip is guys, जब भी आप bra खरीद रहे हो, मेक श्योर आपका जो साइज है आप उसी साइज का प्रॉपर ब्रा खरीदो. अब आप बोलोगे इसमें टिप क्या है? सो टिप ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल आप ऐसे हुक वाले जब ब्राज लेते हो, तो जब आप खरीदते हो मेक श्योर जो आपका हुक है वो फर्स्ट वाले लाइन पर लग रहा हो. ऐसा साइज मतलब कि आपको सेकंड या फिर थर्ड लाइन पर यू नो आपको अटैच करना पड़ रहा है, बिकॉज जब आप इसे वेयर करोगे तो वेयर करते करते थोड़ा सा लूज होता है, देन यू कैन गो ऑन सेकंड एंड थर्ड अटैचमेंट. सो ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टिप है जो आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. Now next bra I have is this cami bra, guys. This is how it looks. It has sexy back and it looks so beautiful. मैंने लास्ट एक वीडियो में इसे वेयर किया था. So most of you were asking कि आपने कौन सा टॉप वेयर किया है, but that was cami bra, guys. So cami bras are usually loose fitting sleeveless bras. आप इसे you know sheer tops या फिर आप इसे जैकेट के अंदर भी डाल सकते हो. It looks so beautiful. या फिर कुछ बैकलेस हो अगर आपके पास तो आप इसे वेयर कर सकते हो. तो ये जो डिजाइन है it will be see through and it would look so beautiful, guys. So मुझे इसे जैकेट्स के अंदर या फिर you know sheer tops के अंदर वेयर करना बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. That's why I have one collection like this as well and it has beautiful mesh designing going on. So I will put the links in the description box. If you want you can check it out. Cami bras are usually made of nylon or cotton bras and it is best for girls who cannot wait to take their bras off because in cami bras you should not feel that big. Now next in the collection you should have molded underwire bras, guys. So underwire bras give you extra support and molded bras give you extra fit and also it gives you incredible shape. So such bras are great for women who want to enhance the shape. अब गाइस ये सब जानने के बाद आप सब समझ गए होंगे that lingerie is such an essential for a woman, and the smartest and best way to shop lingerie online is to buy from Cashkaro, because Cashkaro gives massive cashback guys on top lingerie brands like Zivame, Clovia, Shyaway. On Zivame you get flat 10% cashback, on Clovia you get 18% cashback, and on Shyaway it is more crazier guys. As I already told, you get rupees 350 cashback on orders above rupees 450. My god, what else you need? अब guys, online shopping lingerie is not at all difficult guys. The quality of all the product is so good, and you know, shopping with Cashkaro is much more beneficial because you get so many cashback. There is no cheaper way to buy a good quality lingerie apart from Cashkaro guys. I will just tell you in 2 simple steps how you can save your money when you shop online. Just click on the first line in the description box and make your account on Cashkaro. Once you have made your account, just search for Shyaway or any website of your choice. Click on the orange button and then tap on Visit Retailer. This will take you to the website. Once you are there, just shop as you would normally do. Add the products to the cart. You can also use any coupons of your choice and then make a transaction. After placing the order, check the My Earnings section of your Cashkaro account, where the cashback reward will get reflected. Cashback will be pending and will get confirmed in a few days if you don't cancel or return your order. Once the cashback or rewards in your wallet reaches 250 rupees, you can transfer the entire amount to your bank account or convert it into Amazon or Flipkart gift vouchers. I have mentioned all the product links in the description box below, and you will be able to buy the same product with extra cashback on Cashkaro. Just click on the product link in the description box below and tap on the orange button. Sign up on Cashkaro and then you'll be taken to the same product on Shyaway's website. Buy the product and get rupees 300 cashback. Okay, now let's continue with the lingerie 101. So next in your collection, you should have a sports bra guys. Girls, you should never go to your gym or your fitness session without wearing a sports bra guys. It is such an essential guys. So अगर आप नहीं wear करते हो, then you face lot of issues like sagging and lot many issues guys. Then you do some other exercises to get fit. So before sagging, please make sure when you do your exercise, wear a proper fit bra which gives proper support and balance to your breast. So make sure you have sports bra in your collection guys. Now next, and my most favorite bra is tube bra guys. So even today I have worn a tube bra which is lace designed, and I have thrown a jacket upon it. So it looks so amazing guys, and it is so perfect. I love wearing tube bras guys. It's so comfortable, so breezy, and you know, I can actually wear tube bras 24/7 because it's that comfortable guys. You can actually add a twist to your lingerie wardrobe. Now for off-shoulder tops, I love wearing tube bras, or else I go for strapless bra. As the name suggests, there are no straps to the bra, so you can actually just wear it under your off-shoulder top. Next is, what do I wear under backless tops? So usually I don't wear a backless top, but if I wear that stick-on tapes. Currently I'm out of it, but guys, it does not give you like much support, and make sure if you're wearing backless tops, so it is very tight fitted, then you can wear that stick-on bras and everything. But usually what I do, I have like learned a hack that I directly go to my tailor and I get that backless top, you know, padded, so I don't have any hustle to, you know, wear what bra I should wear under what. So next is push-up bras guys, and it is one of my favorite bras. And push-up bras actually levels होते हैं. It is mainly to give a lift to your breast, and it is perfect for girls who have small breasts. Now last, talking about deep V neckline tops or else deep neckline tops. So I've seen people wearing deep neckline tops, but you know, they don't wear proper bras for that. So what you can wear under that is plunging bras. So I'll explain you the difference between plunging bras. So for example, this bra has this broad, you know, patta type thing, but plunging bra का छोटा होता है. So if you're wearing deep neckline tops, so you should go for plunging bras. This is not actually a plunging bra, but मैंने आपको समझा दिया ना, वो छोटा सा ही स्ट्रैप होता है, so वो दिखता ही नहीं है. Okay, now I'll tell you 3 reasons why you should use Cashkaro for all your online shopping. So first is Cashkaro cashback is a real cash guys, so you can actually transfer it to your bank account, or else you can convert it into Amazon vouchers. Second is Cashkaro cashback is applicable on over existing offers also. For example, you have any coupon code or discount code, or also if you have bank offers, you will still get the cashback guys, which means you will get extra cashback on all the possible discounts. Third is Cashkaro offers cashback on retailers across categories like fashion, skincare, beauty, medicines, education, and lot more guys. I would recommend you guys to at least make one transaction using Cashkaro. And guys, it is the best way to shop nightwears, lingerie, sleepwear, and whatnot. So don't miss the opportunities, guys. Sign up with the description links and shop now. And don't forget, you will get rupees 25 immediately after you sign up from the description links. सो येस गाइज, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट लॉन्जरी 101. आई होप आप सबको वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगा. पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई लव यू ऑल सो मच. बाय.